lady kan ó kú recently, one big lady kan tó kú tó lọ ṣoperation.
Big feet Nello àbí big.
Àwọn tó sọ pé alright, àwọn wèrè yìí náà àwọn bu tó fi kú o. At the end of the day, àwọn náà bu o, náà push. Meanwhile, àwọn tó push yìí, you will know that these people are sad. They are bitter. Nítorí tó bá wà happy, ó ní máa sọ kò bá kú gbé ọ̀rọ̀. Someone like you won't do that. It's because you are sad. You are bitter. You are bitter with your life. That's why. A lot of people don't have money. Obviously, you are bitter. Inú ẹ ò dùn. Ó wá wò pé àbáwo nínú ẹni báyìí ṣe máa dùn. So it's a very terrible thing. It's terrible. But you know, one thing I've told myself is that social media is inconsequential to me.
Exactly.
So what I do, àwọn ará ilé mi mọ̀ mi, tí má ti gbé Candy Crush mi báyìí, mo Candy Crush. Mo lè Candy Crush láàárọ̀, lọ́sàn-án lálẹ́. Kí mo lè má lọ sí Instagram for weeks. TikTok débẹ̀. Mi ò kí ń débẹ̀. Facebook mi ò tiẹ̀ ní.
Kéèyàn má lọ ní HBP.
So mi ò tiẹ̀ ní because sorry, what you don't see don't hurt you.
Exactly.
Nǹkan tó bá rí kò lè dùn ẹ́. So o lè pẹ́pẹ́ mi. O lè ṣe recently ni colleague mi kan ó ṣe interview ó ní mo sọ fún òun pé kí ló tó òun praise Funke Akindele. Mo á wò pé bọ̀bọ̀ yìí máa sick gan. Kí ni correlation èmi àti tiẹ̀? What is our business? What do we have together? Because the truth of the matter is, why would you want to pa orí èèyàn méjì papọ̀?
Ká ní colleague yìí tẹ́ sọ yìí.
Bílé Dani, Wazo.
Okay.
Wazo. Now, at the end of the day, Wazo is someone tó pé I love him so much. I see him like my brother.
Okay.
So, èmi àti ẹ̀ máa ń jáde gan.
Really?
Yes, we always go. Máa mú jáde.
Uncle Wazo yìí náà.
Yes, máa mú jáde, máa mú. So, ó wá ní àpé ó wá ṣe interview kan. So bó she had an interview. Ó wá dárúkọ Funke bẹ́ẹ̀. Bó ṣe dárúkọ Funke. Mi ò tiẹ̀ rí. People are now tagging me bí kí ló dé tí Wazo ṣe wá dárúkọ yín sí interview wa àti Bọ́sẹ̀ Yakobo Vita. Mo wá ní àpé I don't know pé whatever. Má pè yàwó pé a gbọ́ wọ́n ní interview kan tẹ́ ṣe pé kìíní kan. Mo ì lọ fún event kan ní ìjẹta tí someone says Wazo ń kọ̀ because he was always driving us out. We were always together 24/7. Wọ́n ní àpé mi ò rí. Wọ́n ní àpé wọ́n gbà tí mo later ni ó ti ṣe interview yẹn bóyá bí around the time my mom died. So I didn't even get to say it. So ìgbà tí èèyàn kan wá send ẹ̀ sí mi ní kí ni nǹkan tí ó ní pé ìyàwó òun pé mi sọ ọ̀rọ̀ fún òun. Let's even assume that I called him to tell him that. Let's assume so. This is somebody that is supposed to be a friend, a brother. So is it the social media that should now be the place that you should say, Foluke, why couldn't you tell me to my face? Foluke, kí ló wá dé, kí ni wà tí Funke nípò? You can't tell me that. Why should you go to this? So what is the rationale behind it? So the rationale behind it, I don't know.
Ṣé nítorí ẹ̀yin àti Aunty Funke close ni àbí?
Èmi àti Funke close. We're not close. I've not even seen Funke in how long? You don't understand. So even what's the rationale? And then some people are now tagging me, saying, "Not but you read," because I'm not a TikTok person.
TikTok, I wanna read.
I don't see. So as I said earlier, what you don't see don't hurt you.
Exactly. Candy Crush, like me man play. It's just she's not coming for her.
If they come for me, they'll come for me. So let me tell you something. Sorry, it's when you
exactly.
That is the only thing, and that is my priceless jewel.
Exactly.
Apart from that, the truth of the matter is, at the end of the day, she was always social media. You got to make back cutting on me.
No.
Oh, you got to make because the truth of the matter is I don't know the rationale behind it.
All right, Auntie Me. And let's now move along. Aside this one, what else would you say has been the most absurd rumor you heard about yourself that you had to like pause and be like, look at yourself in the mirror? Did I do that?
I can't remember. Because you don't understand. Because this is recent, that's why I remember.
Exactly.
I can't remember. You know what? Because I don't put such things in my mind. We're having this is the last still of our conversation. I presume that's more because of what I can't, because even if something that happened,
Okay, man. All right. Have you ever been betrayed by somebody in the industry? Have you ever been betrayed by somebody that you considered a friend, and at the end of the day, you just can't you can't seem to find yourself to work with this person anymore? But but from afar, let's see God.
That is, for me, is there are personal people that I have personal issues with, but this is not a conversation for the public.
Mm.
Yes, it's not.